we got it taken care of.
Sweet, dude. I love AI.
I was waiting for you to ask who the man was.
I did not.
Can you?
Who is that in the thumbnail?
That's Matt. That's what he looks like with DLSS 5.
Oh, okay.
Let's keep going away.
They do. Oh,
like
here we
that.
go.
Wait, is he still in here? Jonah! Jonah!
Huh?
Oh, oh my
What?
God, he's alive.
What?
Buddy, we have to go to Target for another field trip.
Stop sign? What stop sign?
I did not see that coming.
I didn't either. I didn't know what to say, so I said stop sign.
Do you want to get like some pregnancy clothes?
So I'm gonna get you pregnant. I'm gonna get you pregnant soon, boy.
You got him in rare form today.
You trust it?
Full engage!
Ah!
Like,
Oh!
again, we'll play a video that is like a full 16 by 10. 16 by, is it? No, it's 32 by 9. 32 by 9.
No, it's 180 by 10.
And obviously with my monitor right here, this is a 21 by 9 aspect ratio. We will find a video also to show you guys that is a
32 by 9.
aspect ratio that really fills up that display very nicely. And so let's find a video real quick that's
32 by 9.
Is it 29 by 9?
Competition.
32 by 9. 32 by 9.
I swear you just said 20 something by in the video.
This is a 21 by 9 aspect ratio.
21 by 9.
What is it?
Didn't you say 21 by 9?
Did I say 21 by 9?
You definitely said 20 something.
Oh, it is 21 by 9, yeah, okay.
Why did I just type in 21 by 9?
OLED video. On their own, this is, again, 32 by 9. We're actually a little bit off here. I don't know if this is actually true 32 by 9. There's a slight off there.
21 by 9, Matt.
Oh shit, I keep saying 21 by 9.
No, you keep saying 32 by 9. Keep not saying 32 by 9.
Wait, are you sure? Is it 21 by 9?
It is 21.
Okay.
Chest out. There you go. Shoulders back.
It's going in the bloopers. No context, man. All right. Oh, fuck, that made me really hot. I feel taller than you right now, John. You slouching? Ooh, he had to look down to make sure I went on my tippy to see. That's how you know I'm growing, bro. That's how you know I'm growing still.
He's a big boy.
I just make sure you get your cushioned Converse on. That's all, bro.
Dude, these things are so flat.
If you're a wussy, just say so.
Oh, thank God. I thought you'd be wearing those giant like platform New Balances you wear.
9060s?
That's a graphics card, idiot.
Yeah, 96 EXT.
You ready?
I've
He's been.
been ready for 40
Are you
seconds.
recording that? Okay, cool.